3:30 in the morning, so loud, so low, it's unreal.
Some Big Island residents are fed up with the noise from the dozens of helicopter flyovers every day. The tours have picked up since July when lava began flowing into the ocean.
Members of a nonprofit group formed to deal with the problem say they've tried reaching out to the tour companies.
We showed them the videos that showed them what they were doing to us. They act like they were astounded that this was happening to us. We're going to make a difference, they said. This was over a year ago.
8:25 Sunday morning, 6:55 in the morning, not even 7 a.m. This is the fifth one in 10 minutes. Right over the top.
Superintendent of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park also has concerns about safety and noise pollution with all of the air traffic. She wants the FAA to reduce the maximum number of air tours allowed over the park to try to lessen the impact.
There's one helicopter, there's another helicopter, and there's another helicopter. Three in the sky at once. 5 o'clock in the evening. 5:05. 5:18 in the evening, 6 o'clock in the evening, 6:15 in the evening, in the pouring rain. Unbelievable. It never stops unless there's a hurricane.